¡Qué lindo! I love my costume, Dora! And I made a dinosaur costume for my backpack. Wow, that's a really cool costume, Boots! Now we're all ready for the parade. Can we go, Dora? Can we?
Backpack is super excited because this year she gets to lead the parade with her backpack song.
Yeah, I've been practicing my song. Backpack, 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 choo! Whoa! We've got to get all of Backpack's stuff. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso. Did we get everything, Backpack? I think I'm missing my crayons.
Do you see the crayons? Yeah, there they are. That was a big sneeze. Are you okay, Backpack?
I think so. Are you going to be able to sing your song? See, the parade can't start without my song. Vámonos! Let's go! Backpack really wants to get to the parade. Dora?
Yes, Backpack?
What's the fastest way to the parade?
Who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go?
The map!
The map, right. Will you check the map to find the way to the parade? You have to say map. Louder! Map!
I'm the map, I'm the map.
He's the map, he's the map.
I'm the map! Ooh, Backpack wants to get to the parade fast. Well, I know how to get to the parade.